How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 1965 Pontiac LeMans Convertible 4-speed car. Super cool car. Gorgeous Tuxedo Black paint on it, white top, parchment interior. So all the grills are the originals, headlight bezels, they're all in very good condition. Front bumper's been re-chromed. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. And I tell you, for being black, you really got to have some nice body work. It's a good, solid car. As far as I can tell, is all the original panels on it. There's one small patch in the right quarter panel. So all the taillight bezels and the deck lid applique, that's original. It's got a little bit of age to it. Original rear bumper. Still looks real good. See, the car's very flat, slick down the sides. Now the original 326 has been replaced with a 65 389. Updated cylinder heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, quadrajet 4-barrel carb. It's got power steering, it's got upgraded power disc brakes. Got the heavy duty cooling system. Nice set of Rally 2s with the PMD caps. So the jams all look real good on the car. A lot of the interior's all been redone. Dash looks real good. It's got the factory in-dash tack. Updated with front and rear seat belts. I really like the parchment interior, especially against the black. It's got the original jack spare. See, the trunk's real nice, clean. Convertible top, excellent condition. Got the original AM radio, which actually still works. Got a trio of gauges under the dash. Got a Saginaw 4-speed. Got power top, works like it should. It's just nice and smooth. Got nice sound, dual exhaust all the way out the back. Kind of hard to see the lights, they're all working. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.